what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily cancel a booking.com hotel reservation. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. So here's how you can easily cancel a hotel reservation in booking.com. Just head over to booking.com website and just make sure that you're logged into your account. Next is just click on your profile icon. Then a drop-down menu will show up. Just look for bookings and trips and click on it. Next is just choose the reservation you wish to cancel. Then click on the cancel booking or cancel reservation button. Next, just confirm your cancellation, review the cancellation policy, select a reason for cancellation, and confirm. You will then receive an email confirmation confirming your cancellation. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!